Hello everybody, welcome back to Frugal Travel Rich Life. Today I'm going to show you how to book a very affordable cruise on your own without a travel agent. I like to use Norwegian and CL.com for this demonstration because I do solo travel and they are the most friendly, I believe, on solo traveler prices. You can choose to search by date or destination or port departure. I also add reducing the number of guests down to 1 so that my prices are reflective of a solo traveler. And then I search for prices from low to high, and that's where the magic begins. Normally the shorter cruises will show first. So then I'll go in and actually change the filter to extend to the number of days I actually want. But in this case, there's this transatlantic cruise for $369 a person starting at. But looking further, I think I like this transatlantic cruise even better. It's a little bit pricier, but for 14 days, it's still a great deal. Granted, this one is originating from Spain to New York, but sometimes you can get them in the reverse direction for just as low a cost. So for this rate, I will choose the balcony because for 14 days you have extra space to enjoy outside of your stateroom that's private. If you scroll further to the very bottom, the sail away price includes some specials. It is the cheapest rate, has a few specials with it, but not the all-inclusive drink package normally. So I'll go up just one above that, and that one usually will include everything as you see here. So that does increase the price a little bit, but it's still about the 400 something we were talking about. Alright, opening up here to the pricing details, you can see the breakdown of the cruise rate, which is the $489. There will be some additions such as gratuity for the open bar, but for this 14 days, that is a very, very low rate, just under $200 for all of your basic drinks from $15 down is included in the price, and if you order something specialty higher than that, then you just pay the difference. So you can see with port charges, the total comes, and taxes, the total comes to just over $800. Norwegian Cruise Line also offers Cruise Next, where they give you a discount on your current cruise if you purchase $250 deposits for future cruises. So that's what I did here, and I applied it on here for demonstration purposes, and it reduced my cruise cost to just over $500 for 14 days, balcony stateroom, all-inclusive, of course your regular complimentary dining, one specialty dining, $50 off one excursion per port, which makes your trip even more fun and memorable. I certainly hope you found these tips to be useful in planning your next vacation. Until then, take care and happy travels.